Alright guys, you're welcome back again on Avacoin. Here is how to claim your Avacoin token and all you need to know before you do that now. So once you are here on Avacoin, this is the first page that is going to pop up. Now click on the bottom that is Go Token Table below there. Now once you are here, you are going to see that your wallet that is connected is going to show. Alright, because it's going to ask you to first connect wallet, your total owned Avacoin. Alright, so now what you need to do now is click on claim, and once you click on claim, it's going to be sent to the wallet you connected. Alright, now click on claim. So it's going to take me to my turn keeper. Alright, so confirm action, send, network fee. Alright, so just some amount of fee, the gas fee to claim this. So now click on slide to confirm, just slide it here, and you've confirmed the transaction. Then you need to enter your passcode. Let me enter my own now. Alright, so it is done. Then you can just check back or just refresh for some few seconds. Okay, my balance has been deducted. Alright, so now after some few seconds, your Avacoin token is going to appear on your wallet. So you can see it here. Alright, so from there you can click on it to send it to the wallet, the exchange that it was listed, which is BitGet and Bitmart, I think. Alright, so you are going to click on it, then you are going to click on send or receive. So I want to send now. Let me go to my BitGet now. So click on you can see Avacoin here. Now click on wallet here. Then you're going to see send, deposit, staking. Now click on deposit. Alright, so click on okay, so you can just come down and click on Avacoin here. Alright, now click on receive. So Avacoin receive. Now you're going to see your wallet to receive your Avacoin. Copy it, then we'll go back to our turn keeper again. Now on your turn keeper, click on the Avacoin, then click on send. Alright, so enter the name of the address you copied from BitGet. Alright, so click on continue. Now enter the amount of token you want to send there. Alright, let me send. How much was I having? Let me see the available because I want to send everything. Okay, click on maximum. Alright, so click on maximum here, then click on continue. Alright, just some few, a little fee, then click on confirm and send, then enter your passcode, which I'm going to enter now. So done. You can see it has been sent, so which means very soon the Avacoin is going to leave the wallet. So you can see the Avacoin has left the turn keeper. We need to go to our bit to find this now. Now once you are back on the BitGet, you can see my Avacoin token here that I just sent. So from here you can use it, you can trade it, you can sell it, you can buy more, and you get your money. So this is all about the Avacoin token claiming and what you need to know for now. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on our notification for more updates. See you in my next video.